A winter's day above the Arctic Circle in Sweden's northernmost region. Our Volvo all-wheel drive estates first cut through the snow here more than 20 years ago. Cars made for wild Arctic conditions, enabling everyday life in a hard winter. Even the ocean's surface freezes solid, and when it grows to more than a foot thick, it becomes a road, reconnecting islands to the mainland. As we move towards all-new Volvo cars being electrified, the Scandinavian environment continues to make its mark on the world's automotive technology. Electrified cars and their batteries must be able to perform in cold extremes to thrive elsewhere. It's a simple need for the people of northern Sweden, met by our latest developments. Here in Arctic Sweden, freezing cold temperatures test the limits of flora, fauna, people and machine. Yet the extreme north has become a way of life for generations of locals and visitors. The people here navigate their days in town and country, on and off-road, with skills and abilities learned through experience. Each generation sees innovation, technology and design adapt more and more to the needs of people. By adapting, we find new ways to make everyday life easier, more comfortable, convenient and entertaining. The lessons learned through life in northern Sweden benefit Volvo drivers everywhere. Sweden inspires our designs. It strengthens our technology.